Written by Sushant's friend Siddharth Pitani, revealing explosive details. Pitani has alleged that he is being pressurized by the late actor's family to give false statements against Riya. In an email on 28th of July to the Mumbai police, Pitani said that he received a conference call in which Sushant's brother-in-law and Haryana ADG OP Singh, his sister Meetu Singh and third person were online on 22nd of July. The email further reads that Pitani again received a call from OP Singh, who asked him to give a statement against Riya Chakraborty to Bihar police. Siddharth Pitani was present at Sushant Singh's house when the actor allegedly died by suicide by hanging himself allegedly in his flat on Mumbai on 14th of June. Siddharth Pitani has been working with Sushant as his creative content manager. Saurabh Akhtania is now joining us live. Saurabh, as Sushant Mehta, entertainment editor, was also mentioning that there are way too many allegations that are coming in, a lot of skeletons coming out of the closet as well. My question really is as far as Siddharth Pitani is concerned, somebody who is very, very close to Sushant Singh Rajput, and he's making these allegations that he was pressurized to make a statement against Riya Chakraborty. Is there a systematic witch hunt that is going on against Riya Chakraborty just because she was the live-in girlfriend of Sushant Singh Rajput?
Well, this case is becoming very complicated as far as new things are coming up daily. Now, you can see how there is a split in how the Sushant's relative and the friends of Sushant are actually split. So how they are split is like that the section, particular sections claim that Sushant had actually gone into depression. He was getting counsel by the doctors, while we have seen yesterday we did an interview of Sandeep Singh, his friend and filmmaker. Now we have Ankita Lokhande, who clearly says that Siddharth was Sushant was the one of person who cannot go into depression. So lot of contradictory statements which are coming in. You know, two agencies investigating one particular case, and that is why all this mix-up is going on. Now, as far as Siddharth Pitani is concerned, he remains very crucial. His statement has been already taken by the Mumbai police official. It went on for a whole day. Late in the night at 11, he was left by the Mumbai police officials. His statement remains very crucial. So Siddharth Pitani is the one who stayed with Sushant. He knows very closely Riya as well. Now, Riya, in the petition to the Supreme Court, has attached a letter which is submitted by Siddharth Pitani to the Mumbai police official. This is an email which is sent by Siddharth. He says that the relative of Sushant Singh, that is the senior IPS officer OP Singh, his sister Meetu Singh, they actually got a call and they had a conversation with him. They actually inquired about Sushant Singh Rajput and Riya Chakraborty, that where are they going, where are the money they are spending, and how they are up to, what are the details about it. They also
all right, so there's pressure that's being alleged. There's pressure that's being alleged to speak out against Riya Chakraborty. Speaking about Riya Chakraborty's bid to get an urgent hearing in the plea filed in the Supreme Court has now failed. Riya's lawyers will have to wait till Tuesday to get a date for hearing. Meanwhile, Bihar government has filed a caveat before the Supreme Court challenging Riya Chakraborty's petition seeking the transfer of the FIR registered in Patna to Mumbai. This is coming in as Riya has made a stunning allegation in the top court against Sushant Singh Rajput's family. Riya Chakraborty has claimed that Sushant Singh Rajput's relative, who is an ADG in Haryana police, is possibly behind the FIR that has been filed by Bihar police, and has appealed that the apex court transfer the probe to Mumbai, claiming impartial probe in Bihar. Riya has alleged that Sushant Singh Rajput's friend Siddharth Pitani was asked by the ADG to give a statement to Bihar police and talk against her. Meanwhile, India Today has also spoken to Sushant Singh Rajput's gym trainer, who said that he never trained Riya, and he did not say anything about the friction between the couple. Sushant's ex-girlfriend and former co-star Ankita Lokhande has also been questioned by the Bihar police. Let's now take a look at the charges that Sushant Singh Rajput's family has pressed against Riya Chakraborty and her defense against the same. My colleague Akshita Nandagopal walks you through this. Over to you, Akshita.
Let's break down for you what Sushant Singh Rajput's family is alleging and what Rhea Chakrabarty's counter is now in the petition that she's filed in the Supreme Court. Now, his family has clearly stated that Rhea, in fact, forced Sushant to move out of their house and to change and shift houses. Rhea has, in fact, said that we were in a live-in relationship and we shifted houses mutually. Now, another point that the family has said is that they had complained with regards to Rhea Chakrabarty back in February itself, and yet no action was taken by the Mumbai police. Rhea has, in fact, said that the only way we can ensure an impartial investigation is if the Mumbai police is probing this particular case and not the Bihar police, because she claims that Sushant's father has certain influence in Bihar. Now, another charge leveled by the family is that Rhea Chakrabarty constantly harassed Sushant, and that's why they've demanded the abetment to suicide charge against her. Rhea has, in fact, hit back, saying that she's been targeted time and again since Sushant's death. She's received death threats as well as rape threats. This is something she's also mentioned in the petition. Besides that, Sushant's family has also said that Rhea Chakrabarty controlled Sushant. Not just did she harass him, but she also controlled everything with regards to his finances and other aspects. Rhea has said that that's not the case, that Sushant Singh Rajput was depressed and he was also on medication, that he was taking antidepressants. So you can see that the fight in the Supreme Court also is getting very personal, getting very ugly. You've got Sushant Singh Rajput's family making a slew of allegations against Rhea Chakrabarty. Rhea has hit back, saying that there was no question of her harassing Sushant in any way.
All right, thanks Akshita for that. Now, the probe into Sushant Singh Rajput's death has now led to a war of words between Bihar and Maharashtra. The Bihar government has accused the Mumbai police of not cooperating with the Patna police and have said that their next step will be a CBI probe. The Maharashtra government, though, has denied all these reports. Maharashtra Minister Patil has said that the Mumbai police are doing their job flawlessly and there is just no need for a CBI probe. Former Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has now demanded an enforcement directorate probe in the case, citing money laundering and other irregularities that have come to fore. A Patna police team which reached Mumbai on Tuesday have recorded the statements of at least 6 people, including Sushant Singh Rajput's sister, in connection with this case. They are acting on the FIR filed by Sushant's father against actor Rhea Chakrabarty in Bihar.
खबर मिल रही है कि बॉम्बे के पुलिस प्रशासन इसमें सहयोग नहीं कर रही है, तो हम ये मानते हैं कि अगली पहल माननीय मुख्यमंत्री का एक स्पष्ट संकेत भी हुआ है कि यदि एक केस में महाराष्ट्र की जो प्रशासन पुलिस प्रशासन सहयोग नहीं करेगी तो इस केस को हम सीबीआई जांच भी करानी होगी, तो हम उनके परिजन के साथ खड़े हैं।
मुंबई पुलिस सही दिशा में ये सबका डिटेक्शन कर रही है और हमें विश्वास है कि मुंबई पुलिस निश्चित रूप से सही डिटेक्शन और इस मामले की पूरी जांच अच्छी तरह से होगी। महाराष्ट्र पुलिस ये पूरा डिटेक्शन करने में कोई कसुराई नहीं करेगी और सीबीआई की देने की कोई जरूरत नहीं।
हमें अफसोस है कि मुंबई पुलिस बिहार पुलिस के साथ कोऑपरेट नहीं कर रही है। दूसरा, इसी बीच में पटना में जांच फ्री फेयर नहीं होगी ऐसा आरोप लगा करके रिया सुप्रीम कोर्ट चली गई है कि मामला वहां से हटा करके पुणे मुंबई पुलिस को सौंपा जाए। तो ये एक बड़ा पेचीदा और संदेहास्पद स्थिति बन गई है कि क्यों मुंबई के अंदर ही सारी ट्रायल और सारी पूछताछ करना चाहती हैं। बिहार के जिन नेताओं ने सीबीआई की जांच की मांग की है उनको भी हम बताना चाहते हैं कि बिहार की पुलिस से ज्यादा अच्छा औजार निष्पक्ष जांच के लिए कुछ नहीं हो सकता।
अगर राज्य सरकार सीबीआई को नहीं देना चाहती तो कम से कम ईडी को तो कोई रोक नहीं सकता इसमें ईसीआईआर रजिस्टर करने को, क्योंकि अभी अभी इसमें एक मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग का भी मसला सामने आया हुआ है और कई अकाउंट सामने आए हैं। उसमें कहां के अकाउंट से पैसे आए, कौन से अकाउंट में पैसे गए, किस प्रकार से उनके पैसे साइफन हुए, ऐसी कई चीजें सामने आई है। तो ये सारी चीजें ईडी के परव्यू में आती है और इसलिए इसका ये जो सारा एंगल है इसको एक ईसीआईआर रजिस्टर करके ईडी ने प्रोब करना चाहिए।
महाराष्ट्र पुलिस अच्छे ढंग से काम नहीं कर रही है। पूरे बिहार जो है अभी की निगाहें जो है महाराष्ट्र पुलिस पे टिकी हुई हैं। उनका जो जांच का जो दायरा है वो बहुत धीमा भी है और उतना खुल के जांच भी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। तो हम तो यही का आग्रह करेंगे उद्धव ठाकरे जी से भी कि इसको सीधा जो है सीबीआई के हाथ जांच के लिए उनको डिमांड कर देना चाहिए।
There are many angles which needs to be looked into. What Bollywood says also needs to be investigated about. What Sushant Singh's family is making allegation also needs to be looked into. there are issues raised on the social media that should not be ignored either way. So looking at all these angles, we demand an holistic inquiry, and which can be done only by CBI. That's why we are requesting for CBI investigation to the state government.
Saurabh, on one side, Saurabh Akhtania is joining us for the latest on this. Saurabh, on one side, you've got this probe that is going on, which is absolutely confusing. There are allegations, counter-allegations, and too many conjectures floating around the place. On the other side, politics has taken center stage as well. And this politics is happening between Bihar government and the Maharashtra government, with the former chief minister also coming in and questioning whether the Mumbai police is doing their job properly or not. And in fact, Sushant Mehta, our entertainment editor, also questioned whether or not the Mumbai police is doing a flawless job, a thorough investigation. What is going on over here?
Well, absolutely. You can see how this is now, this whole case has become a political game war. All political parties have got involved, have got themselves involved in this whole case. We have one side the Bihar government, and with them we have the Maharashtra BJP leaders who are clearly accusing the Mumbai police, accusing the Maharashtra state government, the Mahavikas Aghadi government, asking them why are they delaying to transfer this case to the CBI. They are also asking why then the SIT is not formed SDF, because they are saying that the case has been investigated at a very slow pace. They are saying that 45 days have already passed, but till now nothing has been revealed. Now, if you see how the allegations have been put forward, the Mumbai police was now investigating on the equation that whether or not Sushant Singh Rajput was actually been suppressed by the top Bollywood film personality. They were questioning several of the filmmakers, while on the other side, the Bihar police and his family members are now actually investigating the financial role, the Riya Chakrabarti role. So completely two different things, one case, two different agencies, and this is all so much botched up, and therefore it has become a very murkier thing over here. Mumbai police officials are clearly maintaining that their investigation is going in the right path, but till now they have not released any of the information to the media, to the common people, because they actually need to answer. They have to come out and say that what they have investigated till now and which line their investigation was going on. They have only maintained that whatever investigation has been done till now, it is in a very right direction, and the allegations which the Bihar police is accusing are absolutely wrong. Now, as far as the Maharashtra government is concerned, they have raised question on the way the Bihar police is coming over here and functioning.
That's true.
They have said that the protocols are not being followed. They are going
and
around
that
in
question
the
looms large.
luxurious private car like
Are the
BMW,
protocols being
Jaguar.
followed by the Bihar government or not? And the Maharashtra government in all its right questioning whether the protocol has been maintained, whether the protocols are being followed or not. India Today has identified the unknown WhatsApp number mentioned in the email written by Sushant's friend Siddharth Pitani to Mumbai police. Remember, Sushant's brother-in-law, who is Haryana's ADG, told Siddharth that he will get a call after asking him to give statement against Riya. Pitani says that he received a 40-second WhatsApp call from an unknown number, and India Today's fact-check team reveals that the number belonged to a person named Nilotpal Mrinal. Incidentally, Mrinal is the owner of the BMW car which is being used by Bihar police for travel in Mumbai, and he claims to be a close friend of Sushant Singh Rajput's family, but denies ever having called Siddharth Pitani.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good morning. Is this Nilotpal?
Yes.
I'm Sachin Singh. I'm calling from India Today Television, Aaj Tak and India Today. We just got an email from the Riya, which is mentioned in the petition in Supreme Court, in her petition in Supreme Court, where she alleges that you threatened one of the friends of Sushant Singh Rajput, some Pitani.
Who, me?
Yes.
Sure.
And your number is listed in that email. And that it is part of the petition in Supreme Court. Would you like to comment on this?
I never spoke to him.
Are you aware about the friend Pitani?
I never spoke. I don't know him. You can confirm it.
Okay.
I never spoke to him.
Sure. Okay. Thank you.
And the financial angle remains key focus in Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. India Today has spoken exclusively to Sushant's chartered accountant, who said that there has been no major transfer to Rhea Chakrabarti other than some basic expenses. In fact, this is in contrast to Sushant's father's FIR with the Patna police, where he claimed that 15 crore rupees out of 17 crore rupees were siphoned off by Rhea Chakrabarti and her family members from Sushant's bank accounts. The CA has said that Sushant did not have so much money in the first place. The CA has been working for the actor for over a year and said that Sushant's expenditures include 4.87 lakh rupees spent on travel with Rhea Chakrabarti. The actor and his girlfriend were linked to 3 firms. Rhea's brother, Shobik, was also the director of one of the firms. The Enforcement Directorate is now investigating the claims made by Sushant's father on the 15 crore rupees being transferred from the actor's account to other accounts as well.
संदीप जी, ये जानना चाहेंगे कि अभी जो एलिगेशंस किए हुए हैं रिया चक्रवर्ती पर कि सुशांत के अकाउंट से करीब 15 करोड़ रुपए निकाल लिए गए और उसे रिया के अकाउंट में या कुछ फिक्टिशियस अकाउंट में डाल दिया गया।
जी, आई हैव बीन हैंडलिंग हिज अकाउंट फॉर 1 ईयर नाउ। पुलिस ने उसी लिए वेरीफाई करने के लिए स्पेशली आज बुलाया था। मतलब देयर हैज बीन नो मेजर ट्रांजैक्शंस इन द लास्ट फाइनेंशियल ईयर। आई हैव प्रोवाइडेड ऑल द डिटेल्स टू द पुलिस। आई डोंट फ्रॉम द अकाउंट्स इट डजंट सीम लाइक।
The family claims there were around 17 crores, out of which 15 crores were siphoned off.
Well, they are still in his bank account. Those bank accounts are with the police. Nothing has gone, at least in the financial year that I have been handling.
Did any money go to Rhea Chakrabarti's account? Because 15 crores is being said, 15 crores went to Rhea Chakrabarti, Shobik Chakrabarti and their father Indrajit Chakrabarti account. Did you see anything of that?
Well, as I said, his net worth at the start of the year and the end of the year was similar. So there can't be any case for such a huge amount going in the last 1 year at least. Whatever transactions would have happened jointly for expenditure that Sushant would have incurred during his lifetime. They were staying together, traveling together. Whatever he has spent on their behalf, now it is all his wishes at that point of time that he spent. But in terms of actual bank transfers to anybody, except some negligible minor amounts, nothing major would have gone last year.
Saurabh Aktania is now joining us. Saurabh, it's amply clear the CA has mentioned that there was no transfer that was made, and we don't even have to believe the CA's claim. The Enforcement Directorate would just have to pull out the statement and know where this money is really gone. It's less than a day's job as far as the Enforcement Directorate is concerned. And a couple of expenses that were made by Rhea Chakrabarti from Sushant Rajput, come on. They were living together, they were in a relationship, and it's rather very normal. Not much needs to be thought of when this happens. But where does the Enforcement Directorate stand? That's most important here.
Well, see, the allegations made by the family members of Sushant Singh Rajput clearly says that 15 crores were removed from Sushant's account and they were transferred to the Rhea Chakrabarti's account. So this is a huge amount, and therefore ED is now looking into this whole case. The case is under the scanner of ED, but going through the statement, the information given by the CA of Sushant Singh Rajput, he clearly says, when we spoke to him the other way, we asked him how much amount was there in the account of Sushant Singh Rajput. He said around 2 to 3 crore amount was there, and that was the net amount which was throughout the whole year. The other important investment which Sushant Singh Rajput actually did was the one for some around 25 lakhs for his farmhouse in Lonavala. The payment, the rent for the Bandra base house, the other travel history that was with Rhea and Sushant, both were traveling around different places. So only this was the amount which was going from Sushant Singh Rajput's account. Now another important amount was the lifestyle of a celebrity. They have to invest a lot to maintain the lifestyle. So that was the similar amount which was going from Sushant Singh Rajput account. So the amount which Sushant's family is mentioning of around 15 crore, this is a huge allegation which has been made.
Big allegation that is being made. Of course, and ED will investigate, and we will know what the details really are as far as that ED investigation into the financial trail is concerned. But a couple of other spends that were made by Rhea Chakrabarti, not much can be really thought about them because they were living together, they were in a relationship, and sharing finances is very, very normal. Thanks much, Saurabh, for joining us with those details. Remember, we are here at India Today, not falling into any kind of conjectures, but presenting the facts as they are.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.